Yes guys, I've bought a travel drone and I'm going to see if it will fly 6 kilometres on its first flight. Yeah, the drone is a DJI Mini 4K. It only weighs 249 grams. So ideal for travel, but won't be that good if it's windy because it hasn't got much weight itself. Anyway, I need to try it out, so this will be an interesting day. I've driven down the M31 freeway, and near Menangle Road there's an exit to Spring Farm Parkway Stage 1. So this overpass is part of the parkway. It's got an exit to Menangle Road. There's also a city-bound entry to the freeway. And there's this few hundred metres of dual carriageway that ends abruptly. There's the M31 city-bound. Yeah, and the missing link is Spring Farm Parkway Stage 2, which will be 3 kilometres of dual carriageway to Spring Farm at Liz Kernohan Drive. I'm also interested to see if they've done any work. I don't think so, because I don't think it's been approved, but anyway, we'll have a look. I'll fly from here, and what I like straight away is how quickly the controller links to the drone. So we've got 3 kilometres from here and then 3 back. Let's go. The Stage 2 dual carriageway will go to the left of Glenlee Estate. That's a heritage listed rural property, so they won't be able to bulldoze through that. And next will be the main Southern Railway line. You can go all the way to Albury on the New South Wales Vic border and then on to Melbourne. It's a very busy line for freight and passengers, so they're going to have a major bridge over this railway line. Also, there's the private railway line here. This is owned by Aurizon. They got a 2 kilometre rail siding that connects directly into the main southern line. Anyway, we're still going. We're about 1.5 km in, I think. Okay. The drone has terminated this flight. Okay. The message is strong wind warning, unable to return to home automatically, lower altitude immediately, and return to home. So I'm assuming that means manually. So I'm bringing it back. So this wasn't a good day to try for 6 kilometres. Anyway, I enjoyed that first flight, even if it wasn't successful. Okay, part 2 of this video. I'm in Spring Farm. I'm just going to be careful because I'm taking off right next to the transmission lines and they are pretty high. I'm just going to put the drone up here and have a look at the Liz Kernohan Drive part of the proposed Stage 2 of the Spring Farm Parkway. I've got to say I'm surprised by how much industry is out here. I was just expecting farmland. This is Aurizon's facility with their private rail line. So this is the Botanic Gardens, and you've got to remember that Stage 2 of the parkway will go along the boundary of the Botanic Gardens. And there's the DMAX. Yeah, we had a drive up into the Botanic Gardens just to have a look around. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video.